He's here! Alexa, dim the light to 10%.
Okay.
Surprise!
Echo. Turn lights on to 100%. Echo. Dim lights to 50%. Echo. Turn lights off.
So this is the TP-Link dimmer switch on the right. On the left is a different brand switch that was installed on the same day. They were both replacing toggle switches that were, fairly new, nothing wrong with them, but I did want to have a smart switch on my chandelier, and I figured while I was putting this one in, I would put on another Decora style switch next to it. So here we go. Let's see. There is the fixture I want it to control, a Sputnik type fixture. So first let's try running it manually. So you can see that works beautifully. The lights show you what level of dimness or brightness it has. So now if I want to change the dimness and brightness manually, I just press these buttons here. So it doesn't go all the way to totally dim, but I honestly never ever need it to get any dimmer than it is here, so this is fun. Now let's turn it back off. So you can see it fades off. Now we are going to try the fun part, which is the voice control. So let's do that. Alexa, turn on Sputnik. Alexa, turn off Sputnik. So there you go. It works beautifully. I've had it installed for about 3 days now, and I'm very happy with it. At this point, I can recommend it. Of course, we'll see, like anything else, we'll see if it holds up over time. But right now, I'm quite happy with it. Thanks very much for watching.
Introducing Kasa Wireless. Adjust your lights with a remote control. In this video, we'll show you how to add a new point of control to any wall surface with no cutting or wiring using the Pico remote control. We'll cover marking the wall location, attaching the Pico remote control to the wall plate bracket, and finally, mounting the wall plate bracket to the wall. Let's get started. If you want to add a new wall control for your lights, you can easily mount the Pico remote control on any wall surface using the wall plate bracket. You'll need the wall plate bracket, anchors and screws that came with the bracket, a Phillips head screwdriver, pencil, and a drill with a 3/16 or 5mm bit. First, remove the plastic cover plate from the wall plate bracket by pressing on the release tabs with a screwdriver. Position the wall plate bracket on the wall where you want to mount it. Then, mark the locations on the wall where you'll need to drill holes for the wall plate bracket screws. The screws go into the oval holes on the wall plate bracket. Set the bracket aside and drill pilot holes at the marked locations. Insert the anchors into the holes. Next, remove the plastic insert from the back of the Pico remote control and slide the Pico remote control onto the bracket. Position the wall plate bracket over the anchors. Then screw the bracket to the wall using the screws provided. To mount a Clara wall plate, first, separate the front panel of the wall plate from its adapter. Place the Clara wall plate adapter over the Pico remote control and fasten the Clara wall plate adapter to the Pico wall plate bracket by tightening the screws included with the Clara wall plate. Then, snap the front panel of the wall plate into place. And that's it. Now you have an additional point of control for your lights. You can pair this Pico remote control with any lights you're already controlling with a Kasa wireless dimmer.